The Instant Pro or the Instant Beginner? What's better and what are the differences of the two? Let's do one thing at a time. The Instant Beginner account. If you've been sleeping under a rock and you have no idea what the Instant Beginner account, we'll make it very simple for you. It's right here. The Instant Beginner account is an account worth $10. That is it. There is no pay after you pass, nothing like that. It is $10 upfront and that is all you'll be paying. The Instant Pro or the Instant Beginner? Well, let's start with the Instant Beginner account. If we're going to break down on what everyone cares about is the price. And that is a clear winner to both the Instant Beginner 10K or the Instant Beginner 25K. They both are the cheaper versions of anything on the Pro model. The cheapest Instant Pro account is a 5K after splits or after promo codes, which is usually 50%. It's going to cost around $29.50. So you could get the Instant 10K, which will only cost you $10, or the Instant 25K, which will only cost you $25. And before you panic, no, there is no passing fee. That is another big thing you need to know. They are both instant funding accounts, meaning you're in the live phase. There is no late fee or passing fee or anything like that you need to worry about. On the contrary though, when it comes to the Instant Pro's profit split or the Instant Beginner's profit split, and which one is better, well then that goes to Instant Pro hands down. The Instant Pro has up to 100% profit split, starting at 80%, and you can work your way up to that 100 if you would like. And then the Instant Beginner only has 50%, meaning that you get a one-time payout compared to the Instant Pro, which you can have as many payouts as you want, and you also only get half of your earnings. Whereas with the Pro, like I said, you can keep up to 100% of every dollar of profit you make on that account. So now there's a few things that sort of do cross over between both accounts. Both are unlimited trading days, meaning you don't have to worry about getting to that payout or passing that evaluation phase as soon as possible. You can take as much time as you want. On top of that, both of them are also payout on demand, meaning you do not need to wait for a payout. It's something we very rarely believe in at NLF and we try to avoid these days. The moment you hit that 2.5% profit, you are able to withdraw it instantly, as long as every other little metric is hit. Now here is where one relatively similar but also difference comes in, which is the Instant Pro has 6% overall drawdown, whereas the Instant Beginner has 5%. So the Instant Beginner is actually a slightly harder account. But here is the main thing that you need to sort of get your head around is when you come to NLF, if you are a brand new customer, you've never traded with us before, let's say, and you're trying to figure out what's the first account I want to pick up with these guys. Well, I would actually say it's the Instant Beginner. And here's why. Yes, okay, you have slightly harder overall drawdown. You have a worse profit split. So you're not making as much money if you do reach that payout. You're not getting as much freedom or that extra 1%, which can make a lot of difference in your trading. But why is it better? Well, the whole reason we launched both the Instant 10 and the Instant 25 was for two reasons. Number one, you can only buy these accounts once. So once you've got that account, regardless of if you blew it, if you got a payout from it, once it's done, it's done. The whole mindset behind launching these accounts were for two things, because at NLF, if you've ever come to a live stream, you'll have heard me say this, it is a loss for us. We actually lose money on these accounts. The reason we do it are for, like I said, those two reasons. Number one is it allows you as the trader to put very little amounts of money down with still having the ability to get a payout, but there are more important factors than just a payout when you're trading with a prop firm for the first time. You get to have a proper experience of their customer support team, and you get to understand, is it going to take super long if I have a problem, or do they have really quick customer support? You're going to understand the payout cycle. You're going to get a feel for whichever platform you choose and the spreads we offer. And I guess the main thing as well is if you blow it, it's not the end of the world. For $10, it's okay. And that was the second reason we had this account here, which was we understand, especially for me starting this firm, I have very fond memories of when I had no money at all and I was trying to pick up funded accounts and I was trying to trade with really small accounts. The overall point is this is a way for not only the new traders that come to the firm to test us out, see if we're the right firm for them. But more importantly as well, if you do get that payout on that $10 account or on the $25 account, that's money you can then take and go and invest in bigger accounts. You can actually right now go and buy an instant 10K, an instant 5K with a $10 payout. So if you went and got an instant 10K and you got to the payout stage off that $10 investment, you could go buy a 10K instant pro and a 5K instant pro now. I won't go into the 2 steps or the 1 steps or anything like that, but the overall point is both of those accounts are kind of looked at as those jumpstart accounts. If you get a payout and you get that money, you can go and invest and get more accounts to get more money from more capital you're now trading with. That's the whole sort of idea, is no one ever became rich off a single account getting payouts and they had the account for the rest of time. They maybe had 10 accounts and blew a couple, got payouts from a couple, bought more with the payouts, and continued to scale up until they had 10, 20, 30 accounts that they were managing, and they were taking small payouts from all of them. That's how you run the prop firm game. And that is why NLF launched the instant beginner account, to have everyone come in, feel like they can trust us, feel like they can understand our rules, understand our team, everything like that. And then if they're just that good, they may just get a payout that they can scale into those bigger accounts and keep trading with to make even bigger payouts. So to answer your question, always start with the cheaper one. And then once you've tried out those instant beginner accounts, you can always go off and try that instant pro account after. So all of this is live right now on Next Level Funded. There's a link in the description, or simply type in nextlevelfunded.com on your URL and you'll see all the accounts available on the homepage. We look forward to trading with you.